Hello and welcome to our another unboxing video in our channel. Today's product will actually be 5 products. First of all, the packaging looks very professional and intact. It also has a little bit of Jobbatical branding included, but it's very low key. But other than that, quite standard. Box. Very well packaged, very safe. And what we see here, this is the first one of 5. A mug that has VZLA written on it. It's by Juan. It's very functional. It's empty inside and looks deep blue, like very well mimicking Juan's personality. Let's put that aside. It also has a handle for convenient use. Another safety feature of the packaging, and there is another one. Oh, beautiful, with flowers. This is a romantic producer. I don't know whose is it exactly, or even is it ours, but it has flowers outside and in. Very nice. Also comes with a feature of being empty inside. Let's go on for the next one. Ooh, that's interesting. That has a lot of more texture to it. This one has a bird on the bottom and is very nice to hold, very beautiful, would look beautiful on the shelves, as well as, again, functional. Another one. So this is second from the left. Nice. Again, not a disappointment at all. This also comes with a, oh, it's pink inside, that's beautiful. Pink inside and birds. These are Estonian national birds on outside. It has a relief on the out for convenient use for holding and drinking, as well as throwing it to somebody you might not like. And the last one. Bigger one. This is a really big man's cup, a manly one. It has a convenient hold for your thumb here if you don't want to use the handle like sissies usually do. It very well communicates what it actually is. It says hea tass risk, whatever the risk means, who knows. And it has birds on it for you to look at when you hold the cup, as well as when you drink it. Very nice. That concludes our product for today. Come back for the next unboxing videos from us. Subscribe and hit the bell icon on the bottom of the video. Thanks.